Every time you take a bite of food, your body kicks off a brilliant survival story. Whether it's an apple or a slice of pizza, your digestive system breaks that food down into its simplest form of energy, a sugar called glucose. This glucose enters your bloodstream, ready to fuel your body. But there's a catch. Glucose can't just walk into your cells on its own. Left stranded in the blood, too much sugar becomes toxic. It needs a key to let it in. That's where the pancreas comes in. Sensing the rising sugar levels, it deploys its master regulator, insulin. Think of insulin as a microscopic key, custom-made to unlock your body's cells. To maintain a perfect balance, insulin travels through the blood to meet your cells. On the surface of these cells sit special docking ports called insulin receptors. When insulin binds to this channel, it sends a powerful biochemical signal deep inside the cell. This signal acts like an automated garage door opener. Inside the cell, specialized glucose doors, known as GLUT4 transporters, rush to the surface. They open wide, allowing the floating glucose to flood out of the bloodstream and into the cell. Once inside, the cell metabolizes the sugar, converting it into raw energy to help you run, think, and breathe. If your body has extra glucose, it doesn't need right away. Insulin directs the liver and muscles to pack it neatly away as glycogen for later use. With the sugar safely inside the cells, your blood glucose levels drop back to a healthy, normal baseline. Your pancreas stops pumping out insulin and the system resets. Through this intricate dance of locks, keys, and doors, your body perfectly manages its metabolism, keeping you energized, balanced, and alive